Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I am doing great.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, I am fine.
Are you having a good day?
Yes, I am having fun.
What are you doing today?
I am practicing English today.
Do you enjoy speaking English?
Yes, I enjoy speaking English.
Why are you learning English?
I want better communication skills.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice every day.
Can we practice English together?
Yes, let's practice together.
Do you like simple conversations?
Yes, simple conversations help learning.
Are you ready to start speaking?
Yes, I am ready now.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up early today.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
Do you drink coffee mornings?
Yes, coffee starts my morning.
What is your morning routine?
I exercise and read news.
Do you eat breakfast daily?
Yes, breakfast gives me energy.
What did you eat today?
I ate eggs and toast.
Do you like healthy food?
Yes, healthy food feels good.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook simple meals.
What food do you like?
I like rice and chicken.
Do you enjoy spicy food?
Yes, spicy food tastes amazing.
Where do you live now?
I live in a small city.
Do you like your city?
Yes, my city is nice.
Is your neighborhood quiet?
Yes, it is peaceful here.
Do you walk outside often?
Yes, I walk every evening.
Do you like parks nearby?
Yes, parks relax my mind.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have good friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Alex.
Do you talk daily together?
Yes, we talk every day.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy meeting people.
Are you friendly with neighbors?
Yes, neighbors are very friendly.
What do you do daily?
I study and practice English.
Are you working or studying?
I am currently studying English.
Do you like your work?
Yes, I like my work.
Is your job interesting?
Yes, my job feels interesting.
Do you work every weekday?
Yes, I work every weekday.
What time do you start?
I start work at 9.
Do you enjoy your workplace?
Yes, my workplace feels comfortable.
Do coworkers help you often?
Yes, coworkers support me often.
Do you like teamwork there?
Yes, teamwork makes tasks easier.
Do you learn new skills?
Yes, I learn useful skills.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
What movies do you enjoy?
I enjoy action and comedy.
Do you watch movies weekly?
Yes, I watch every weekend.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom.
Do you like comedy movies?
Yes, comedy movies make laughter.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen daily.
What music do you like?
I like pop music mostly.
Do you like pop music?
Yes, pop music sounds great.
Do you listen while working?
Yes, music helps concentration.
Do you sing sometimes alone?
Yes, sometimes I sing alone.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, books improve knowledge greatly.
What books do you read?
I read learning and storybooks.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I read every evening.
Do you enjoy short stories?
Yes, short stories feel fun.
Do you like learning words?
Yes, learning words helps speaking.
Do you study English grammar?
Yes, grammar improves my sentences.
Is grammar difficult for you?
Sometimes grammar feels difficult.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, videos improve my listening.
Do you practice shadowing daily?
Yes, shadowing helps my pronunciation.
Do you repeat sentences loudly?
Yes, repeating builds speaking confidence.
Do you like traveling often?
Yes, traveling excites my mind.
Which country interests you most?
I want visiting the United States.
Do you like beach vacations?
Yes, beaches feel relaxing.
Do you like mountain trips?
Yes, mountains look beautiful.
Do you travel with friends?
Yes, I travel with friends.
Do you take many photos?
Yes, I love taking photos.
Do you like long road trips?
Yes, road trips feel exciting.
Do you visit new cities?
Yes, new cities feel interesting.
Do you try local food?
Yes, local food tastes unique.
What exercise do you like?
I enjoy jogging every morning.
Do you enjoy morning walks?
Yes, morning walks feel refreshing.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play badminton sometimes.
Do you like playing soccer?
Yes, soccer feels exciting.
Do you watch sports games?
Yes, I watch sports often.
Who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Messi.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, playing together feels fun.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, outdoor activities feel amazing.
Do you stay active daily?
Yes, staying active feels good.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media.
Which app do you use?
I often use Instagram daily.
Do you watch short videos?
Yes, short videos feel entertaining.
Do you chat with friends?
Yes, chatting connects with friends.
Do you post photos often?
Sometimes I post travel photos.
Do you follow learning channels?
Yes, learning channels inspire me.
Do you like English podcasts?
Yes, English podcasts help learning.
Do you listen every day?
Yes, I listen every morning.
Do podcasts help your listening?
Yes, podcasts improve listening skills.
Do you like slow conversations?
Yes, slow conversations help beginners.
Do you like shopping weekends?
Yes, shopping feels enjoyable sometimes.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy useful things.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, online shopping saves time.
Do you compare prices first?
Yes, comparing prices saves money.
Do you enjoy buying clothes?
Yes, clothes shopping feels fun.
Do you save money monthly?
Yes, I save money monthly.
Do you plan your budget?
Yes, budgeting helps financial planning.
Do you track daily expenses?
Yes, I track daily spending.
Do you like simple living?
Yes, simple living feels peaceful.
Do you avoid unnecessary spending?
Yes, unnecessary spending wastes money.
What do you do evenings?
I relax and watch videos.
Do you watch television nightly?
Yes, television helps me relax.
Do you call your family?
Yes, I call family often.
Do you relax after work?
Yes, relaxing reduces daily stress.
Do you cook dinner daily?
Sometimes I cook dinner myself.
Do you eat dinner late?
No, I eat dinner early.
Do you like homemade meals?
Yes, homemade meals taste better.
Do you wash dishes yourself?
Yes, I wash dishes daily.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean regularly.
Do you organize things well?
Yes, organization improves productivity.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy several hobbies.
What hobby do you enjoy?
I enjoy reading and jogging.
Do you like drawing pictures?
Sometimes I draw simple sketches.
Do you like playing guitar?
No, but guitar sounds interesting.
Do you enjoy writing daily?
Yes, writing improves my thinking.
Do you keep a journal?
Yes, journaling tracks my progress.
Do you write English sentences?
Yes, I write English sentences.
Do you practice speaking alone?
Yes, speaking alone builds confidence.
Do you record your voice?
Yes, recording helps my improvement.
Do you listen and improve?
Yes, listening reveals pronunciation mistakes.
Do you feel confident speaking?
Sometimes I feel confident speaking.
Do you speak slowly sometimes?
Yes, speaking slowly helps clarity.
Do you make mistakes often?
Yes, mistakes happen during learning.
Do you learn from mistakes?
Yes, mistakes teach valuable lessons.
Do you ask questions often?
Yes, questions improve understanding.
Do teachers help you learn?
Yes, teachers guide my learning.
Do you like group practice?
Yes, group practice feels motivating.
Do you join English clubs?
Yes, clubs encourage regular speaking.
Do you speak with foreigners?
Sometimes I speak with foreigners.
Do you enjoy learning languages?
Yes, languages connect global cultures.
What is your biggest goal?
My biggest goal is fluency.
Do you want better fluency?
Yes, I want fluent speaking.
Do you want global friends?
Yes, I want international friends.
Do you want travel opportunities?
Yes, travel opportunities excite me.
Do you want better jobs?
Yes, better jobs motivate learning.
Do you believe practice helps?
Yes, daily practice creates improvement.
Do you stay motivated daily?
Yes, motivation keeps me focused.
Do you follow learning plans?
Yes, plans guide my learning.
Do you study every night?
Yes, I study every night.
Do you revise old lessons?
Yes, reviewing lessons strengthens memory.
Do you enjoy this conversation?
Yes, this conversation feels helpful.
Is this practice helpful today?
Yes, today's practice feels great.
Do you feel more confident?
Yes, I feel more confident.
Will you practice again tomorrow?
Yes, I will practice tomorrow.
Do you like simple questions?
Yes, simple questions improve speaking.
Do you understand everything here?
Yes, I understand most sentences.
Do you want more practice?
Yes, I want more practice.
Shall we continue tomorrow?
Yes, let us continue tomorrow.
Did you enjoy practicing today?
Yes, I enjoyed practicing today.
Are you ready to say goodbye?
Goodbye. See you next time.